thought I'd make this video for anybody that's got a Dell Sol doing a B-series swap that doesn't have the correct linkage, since they're kind of harder to find. This is what I'm making from an Integra shift linkage that I actually got for $20 at a junkyard. Should save you a lot over the $100 and something people usually want for these. Show you what I'm doing here. I've already got this one done. It's not the prettiest welds or anything, not a master welder, but I just cut it here. Then I went ahead and bolted this piece to my transmission and hooked the linkage up to the body, and I measured the distance I needed there. I think it was about 2 inches, and I've added that piece in, and then I'm going to be doing the same thing on this piece of the linkage that actually selects the gears. Probably about another 2 inch or so piece that I need to cut and put into there. And all I'm doing for the metal, I actually have a scrap shift linkage laying here in my garage, and I've just been measuring and cutting some pieces off of it, welding it in. So get everything set up and go ahead and cut another piece for the side. New little extension for our linkage. Take it over and go ahead and start tacking it in, make sure we got it where we want it. So let me get this tacked on, then I'll be right. I don't really have a tripod or anything yet, so I went ahead and just tacked this on just to hold it for just a second. Alright, once you've got it tacked into place, you can come up, get inside your car, and go ahead and check and make sure everything goes into gear like you want it to without hitting anything. So it looks like what I got's good. I'm going in all the gears fine. So go down, finish getting it welded up, and we'll show you what that looks like. And here it is after all the welds. As you can see, there's just two little extensions that you're going to do, one on the actual shifter part and one on the stabilization bar. And get measuring tape up here. Just a little bit, like right around 2 inches is all you gotta add in there on each one. Just a straight piece. I know this video is kind of rough, but it's my first real video on here, and it's done with my iPhone, but I figured maybe this would at least give somebody else an idea, maybe trying to go make their own linkage like what I was trying to do. Maybe couldn't find any information out there, so I thought I'd just add this on here for anybody maybe going through the same thing also.